All right, what's up, y'all? Look, today we're in a different setting, and that's 100% okay because we're learning a new skill. Get your loop resistance band. While you warm up, I'm going to show you what we're doing today. I'm going to grab a lighter kettlebell just for demonstration purposes. Kettlebell, have you used this before? Maybe, maybe not. All right, pay attention. The premise of this exercise is not to fold over at the hip and become the number 7 in your shape. The premise is to use your hips to thrust yourself forward. If you're standing here with your light weight, you're humping the air, you're thrusting forward. You also have to bend at the knee, soft knees a little. Bend at the knee, sit the butt back like you're sitting into a chair. Sit the butt back, swing, and use your glutes, contract them to bring yourself back up, okay? Practice with a lighter weight before we begin. Key emphasis here, your hips are thrusting the weight forward. We're not manually using all our strength to bring the weight up to face height. So it doesn't matter if you're using 20 pounds, 50 pounds, the weight will only go as high as the momentum that you create with your hips thrusting forward, okay? Don't have any locked knees while you do this either. The other key thing I want you to remember is to initiate your swing. This is probably the best form. I'm gonna use my heavy weight to demonstrate. So one would think, if I'm picking up weight for the first time, that I need to stand over it. No. Reach down, put your hands. Hop your feet back. Okay, core engaged. Walk back onto your heels and drag it. Same way when you put it down. I'll show you again. Hop back onto your heels, drag the weight, hop up with the hips. Now you're ready to go. Okay, so for today's workout, we're doing a ladder from 10 to 1. We're gonna do 10 kettlebell swings. We're gonna put it down. We're gonna do 10 bent over gorilla row. Premise for your gorilla row, one hand at a time. Pulling it back, okay? Like that. And then we'll do push-ups. 10 push-ups, all the way down to 1. I think you're really gonna like this workout. So, I'm gonna put this light one out of my way. I don't need it. Okay. I already know where my ailments are, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my brace on, and we're gonna begin, okay? All right, there we go. Okay, so for the first exercise, remember, you only need 1 kettlebell. We're doing 10. Ready? Set it up. And go. One thing I forgot to mention to you is make sure you're keeping your chin to your chest when you're doing these swings. All right, you got 10 bent over row. Ready? One at a time. Ready? I'm gonna do one more. 1, 10 push-ups. between your push-ups should be easier and easier each time we go to do this. Ready? Six, 7, 8. This shit's heavy. Come on. 10 push-ups. 9 push-ups, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So, I just noticed something. During the bent over row, always going to be an uneven number. Nowhere to feel imbalanced. But right now, it's all for a purpose. We're going for 8. 8 kettlebell swings, 8 bent over row, 8 push-up. It's heavy, it's hard, and I'm breathing out of control. Ready? Let's go for 8. Go! 1, 2, 3. Keep your chin down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's get it. Row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Oh my God. We got 7. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I did an extra one. That's okay. Look, form for your bent over row. Nice and wide. Head down. Turn the chest. Pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my God. Get these out of my way. Let's get it. 7 push-ups. 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Now, now we got 6. Easy peasy. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's get these rows. 6 of them. Ready? push-ups. Let's get it. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's halfway there. So freaking easy. Come on. Slow yourself. Bring your heart rate down. Just a little bit. Ready? We got 5, 3, 2, 1. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa. Pull them up. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 5. Come on. All right, 4 kettlebell swings. Ready? I'm tired, but I'm getting energized. Ready? Butt down, pull it in. 1, 2, 3, 4. One for good measure. Pull it in. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push up. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a little bit left, y'all. Come on. What are you waiting for? For my chakra to realign. Definitely. 3 more. Let's go. And pull. 1, 2, 3. Pull this in. Come on. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Push up. Home stretch. 1, 2. Oh my gosh. You guys. I'm dying. 2. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Kettlebells, they're hit or miss. Driving me crazy right now. Pull it, come on. 1, 2 push-ups. Come on, no complaining. 1, 2. Last one. Make it count. Whew. Can't wait to take a nap. Ready? Set. 1. Coil row. Let's do it. 1 each arm. 1. Last push up. Fuck yeah. Good job. Oh my God. Good job. I can't wait to get out of this. His back raise. Love it. Kind of hated it toward the end. I feel tight. That's okay. Look, let's get our kettlebells out of the way. Find ourselves a bottle of water and a full plate to take. I think we're done for the day. Okay. I don't know why I buffered on that for so long. What? I feel like I got a little extra energy in me. Go grab something light. 20-pound kettlebell. We're gonna do 10 each side. Something called around the world shoulder press. All right, that's where it is. I'm starting in my right hand. I'm moving it behind my body, catching it with my left, and then immediately bringing it across my body, up to my shoulder, catching it with the palm of my right hand, pressing up, down, opposite. I'm grabbing the handle just on that left or that right side. This is where I'm putting my hand placement. Right here, right here. 5, 6, 7. Come on, it's not that heavy. 8, 9. Use that momentum. 10, 11, 12, 13. Come on. 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, as always, do whatever stretching is required for you to feel loose and limber all over again. I am going to go take a nice, steamy hot 5-degree burn. Did you even go to level 5? 5-degree burn? No, I'm pretty sure. Steaming hot, piping hot shower, and put a lidocaine patch on. So I think my back is done for. Just be prepared for the next coming workouts. I will start incorporating a lot more activity in the gym. So, please excuse any of the noises that you've heard. I'm in a public space. And that's it. I appreciate you working out with me. I'm sure your body also enjoys what you're doing for it. And I'll catch you on the next one.